Kentucky this evening at approximately 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Gray fled the victim's residence with 4 male juveniles: Jordan, age 6, Jace, age 9, BJ, age 10, Adrian Murray, age 1, who has entered North CIC. Gray is driving the victim's 2014 red Jeep Patriot with Kentucky plate 390TBA. A neighbor witnessed the suspect load the 4 children in the Jeep and flee the scene, possibly en route to St. Louis, Missouri, or Louisville, Kentucky. Victims: Adrian Murray, a black make, aged 1 year. He has brown eyes and black hair and is 2 feet 2 inches tall, weighing 20 pounds. Suspect: Richard Gray, a black male, aged 32 years old. He has brown eyes and black eyes and is 6 feet 2 inches tall, weighing 170 pounds. Has a tattoo on the neck. Vehicle: a red 2014 Jeep Patriot with Kentucky license plate reading 390TBA. If you have any information regarding this alert, please contact the Kentucky State Police.